Let's proceed, people. Can you be quiet? So we have got a question on functions that is from the same paper, which is 2022 paper, one school certificate. They are saying, given that f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 and g of x is equal to positive 1, then they are saying find question A. Question A, they want us to find f inverse of what? X. This is what they want us to find. I hope the space is going to be enough. Are we together, people? So now, since we have been given the function, the function of f, so f of x is equal to 3x plus what? So what we are going to do first, we are going to equate this to f of x. Okay? So f of x is what? 3x plus what? Plus 1. Are we together, people? Then, step number 2, temporarily we are going to put y where we have f inverse of x. We are going to put y here. So we are going to say y is equal to 3x plus what? Y. So I'm saying let f inverse of x be y. Then make x the subject of the formula. So we're going to make x the subject of the formula. So step number 1, we're going to say y. So we're going to transpose, this is positive 1, On the other side, it's going to become negative or minus 1, is equal to 3 what? 3x. Are we together? So for us to remain with x, we need to get rid of 3, So it's over what, people? 3, then over 3. So that this can go in. So x is equal to y minus 1 over what? Over 3. So we're saying x is equal to what? Y minus 1 over what? Over 3. Are we together? Then what are we going to do? Where there is x, we are going to put what? F inverse of what? X. X, yes. So we are going to say f inverse of x is equal to, then where there is y, you put what? X. So x minus 1 over 3. This is the answer. Okay? Then we can now answer question B, which is very simple. So question B, I'll answer it from this side. B, they are saying find f inverse of negative what? Negative 5. Are we together? Okay? Yes. So I'm going to say, since we know that we have been told to say f inverse of x. F inverse of x, what is our answer? It's x minus 1, Yes. Then over what? Over 3. Is it okay? But this is not what we want. We have f inverse of x. So look at it. This x, this is the x we are buying. But the question is saying, where there is x, they've put what? 5. So the question is f inverse of negative 5. So mean even as where there is x, we're going to put negative what? Negative 5 minus 1. Then over what? Over 3 and move on. So negative 5 minus 1 gets negative 6 over 3. And finally say negative 6 divided by 3 is what? Negative 2 as our answer. Then the last question, people, it's f g of x. F g of what? Of x. Are we together? So when they say f g of x, the first function is f I. We have got f as our first function. Are we together? Yes. So meaning we are going to write the function of f, and then where there is x, you're going to put the function of what? G. Is it okay? Where there is x in the function of f. If the question was g f of x, we could have written the function of what? The function of g, and then where there is x, we put the function of what? Fy. But in our case, we have f as the first function, so we're going to say, what is the function of f? It's 3x plus what? Plus 1. Are we together? Yes. Then where there is x, you put the function of g. Yes. So what is the function of g? It's just 1, So just say 3, where there is x, you put 1, plus what? 1. 3 times 1 is what? 3 plus 1. 1 plus you get what? Get 4. Okay. Exam. Nakasigalia